Atomic energy uses and abuses. Nuclear energy is the energy contained in the nucleus of an atom. The energy can be obtained from atoms in two ways: nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. In nuclear fusion, the nuclei of light atoms are merged together to form the nuclei of heavier atoms. The resulting nuclear reaction releases energy. The sun and a star produce the sort of energy. In nuclear fission, the nucleus of an atom is split to release heat energy. In nuclear fission, the nucleus of an atom is split to release heat energy. This heat energy generates steam that runs the engine to turbines to produce electricity. At present, the nuclear plants use this spot of energy to generate electricity. The most common fuel used for fission is uranium. However, plutoniums or thoriums can also be used for fission. Nuclear fission produces much more energy than fossil fuels. Nuclear energy can also be integrated into electricity grids with few changes in the existing infrastructure. Moreover, it has a large power generating capacity with low operating cost. But what is threatening about it that it generates radioactive waste, which is very harmful to human health and surrounding environment. This makes the nuclear fission technology disputable and possible. There are many harms of nuclear energy. Some of them are mentioned below. First, nuclear energy programs increase the likelihood of proliferations of nuclear weapons. Now, nuclear technologies are globally available. This may result in weapon proliferation. Second, nuclear reactors generate radioactive waste. It is very difficult to store this waste. Moreover, this storage facilities are temporary, costly, and potentially less safe. Third, nuclear power plants pose big security threats. They are subject to terrorist attacks. In case of an attack, they would emit radioactive materials into atmosphere and the surrounding areas. Fourth, academics can damage the nuclear power plants in 1986. Then the emitting radiations affected thousands of people across Russia and Eastern Europe. Then in 2011, the massive tsunami, the several nuclear power plants in Japan releasing radioactive materials in the surrounding areas. If the worker in the nuclear power plants can people live nearby are always at the risk of developing cancer. Nuclear technologies are also used in the field of agriculture. Radioactive soaps and radiations are being applied in the field. The use of isotopes techniques is very useful in managing the existing supplies of water and the identification of new sources of water. For this purpose, isotopes hydrology laboratories are set up. Nuclear energy helps us to atmosphere, soil, and applied fertilizer. Nuclear energy has applied numerous techniques in industry. A few of these are as follows. First, telecommunication industry needs lightweight and durable polymers covers for cable. Expose of polymers of low-level nuclear radiations delivered. Such kinds are produced for electronics industry. Second, nuclear techniques are applied the measurement of fine industrial products such as paper thickness. Third, game radiography and nuclear techniques is applied to ensure light welding of gas or oil pipelines. The massive accumulation of the greenhouse gases in the air is a reason label for the global warming. Still, fossil energy is being used everywhere to worsen the situation. We can stop the emissions of those gases by using the nuclear energy. The production of nuclear energy should be expanded if its success is solving its related problems. For example, operational safety, proliferations, and waste management, it should be flourished. It has become cheaper than fossil energy. Steps should be taken for the reductions and disposal of radioactive waste. If nuclear energy replaces fossil fuel, it will be solve many of our environmental problems. So thanks for watching our video.